This 2022 Highland Ridge Roamer 294RLS Open Range RF294RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Highland Ridge is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 6, skylight, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, slideout, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, stove-top burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Roamer 294RLS Open Range RF294RLS is 9,870 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.